How to enable or disable set time zone based on location on the Samsung Galaxy A15. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on general management. Next, tap on date and time, and then we go down. On the third option, tap on set time zone based on location. Tap on the toggle button to turn on or switch off this feature. Now I said here, when you turn on, use your phone's location to determine the time zone. This may help if your mobile network sometimes provides the wrong time zone. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.